Hello, my loves. Welcome to a guided meditation by Lavendaire. I'm happy you made the choice to meditate today and nurture your body, mind, and soul. Let's get into a comfortable seated position. Bring your hands together and take a moment for gratitude. Close your eyes. What are you grateful for in the now? No matter what you are going through, you can always find gratitude in simplicity. I am grateful for life. I am grateful to breathe. I am grateful for this moment of peace. Release your hands back to your knees. Take a deep breath with an open mouth exhale. On your next deep inhale, bring your shoulders up. An open mouth exhale, gently bring your shoulders down. Repeat this 2 more times. Feel the tension and burden release with each exhale. Deep inhale, bring your shoulders up. Exhale, gently bring them down. Inhale, bring your shoulders up. And exhale, gently bring them down. Take a deep breath to reset. And notice how your body feels. Now let's release tension from the neck. Take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, bring your chin down to stretch the back of your neck. If you want a deeper stretch, you can gently place your hands behind your head. Hold here for 2 full breaths. On your next exhale, bring your chin to neutral and face forward. Then breathe in and tilt your head up to stretch the front of your neck. Hold here for 2 full breaths, relaxing your mouth for your exhales. Then reset and face forward on your next exhale. On to side neck stretches. Gently tilt your head to the right and hold there for 3 deep breaths. If you want a deeper stretch, you can gently place your right hand on your head. Reset on your 3rd breath. Now do the opposite side. Tilt your head slowly to the left and hold there for 3 deep breaths. Reset on your next exhale. Take this time to do a couple neck circles on each side. While inhaling, slowly roll your head to the right, then back, and then exhale to the left, and then down. Gently, at your own pace, do 1 more round, inhaling for the first half, and exhaling for the second half. Now switch directions. Slowly circle your neck the other way, inhaling to the left, to the back, and exhaling to the right, and then back down. Repeat for 1 more round. When you're done, take a deep breath and open mouth exhale to reset. Notice how your body feels now. Feel the relaxation flow through your body. Now close your mouth and breathe through your nose for the rest of this meditation. We will do a full body relaxation, bringing awareness to one area at a time. First, relax your forehead. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your lips. Relax all your facial muscles. Relax your scalp. Relax your brain. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms. Relax your hands. And relax your fingertips. Relax your heart. Relax your stomach. Relax your hips. Relax your thighs. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax your toes. Feel your body totally relax. Allow yourself to feel the stillness of this moment. There is absolutely nothing you need to do other than what you're already doing right now. Just relax, breathe, and listen to this audio. Remember this feeling of calm and centeredness. You can come back to this feeling anytime, simply by relaxing your mind and your body, and by choosing to live in the present moment. Right here, right now. You are safe. You're safe here. Too often, we allow our minds to dwell on the past or worry about the future, causing stress and anxiety. We can't change the past, and we can't predict the future. All we have control over is now. So live in the now and do the best you can in the present moment. If you think about it, the past and the future are only a figment of your imagination. They're illusions, perceptions held by your mind. The only thing that's real is the present moment right in front of you. The present moment is always your place of power. So take a deep breath with awareness of the present moment right now. Feel the energy you have flowing through your body right now. You are alive. You are here. And you are safe. I'd like to share some positive affirmations with you. Feel free to recite along with me in your mind. I am enough as I am. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. Energy goes where attention flows, and my attention is here and now. I use my power in the present moment. I am guided, protected, and loved. I trust in the guidance of the universe. I allow myself to let go, trust, and enjoy life. I feel lighter and freer. I am safe. As you continue your meditation practice, visualize your ideal image of peace. What does peace look like to you? Focus on that image and visualize it in as much detail as possible, inviting sights and sounds and even smells. Place yourself in the scene of peace. Visualize yourself as your brightest self, feeling light and carefree in this world of serenity. Begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth exhale. Bring your hands together and return to your thoughts of gratitude. Thank yourself for nourishing yourself with this meditation session. Blink your eyes open and see the beautiful world around you. Observe your surroundings with a fresh perspective and continue your day with positivity and peace. Sending you love and light. Namaste.